draw boxes. This is how I like to do mine. So once I've got it parallel all the way, I like to measure it from there to the inside, which gives me 524. I like to take 2 mil off either side to make it a bit lighter so it goes in easier, so that makes it 520. So now we've got our bottom two sides ready, so what I'll do is take it back to the bench, get a big platform down, and then we'll glue and screw this all ready. We'll cut an end panel for the back, and then we'll get it ready, screw it in on the runners, get it in, and then I can do both of the faces at the end. I'm also going to do some scribe panels in around to hide over the framework.